everyone, it's Margaret here. I'm back to share with you another project that I've just completed. This is a heart cushion that I just made, and it's all done in some antique laces and vintage trims, and lots of dangles here. As you can see, the dangles are a little asymmetrical, which I think always adds a little bit of interest on the side here. And the center is a beautiful lady, and I've actually sewn in some beading on her hair, and she's got some beautiful long hair, and she's centered in the middle with some beautiful braid trim. And what I've done is I've taken these little snippets, folded them over, added some buttons, and then just threaded some ribbon inside and twisted it all around, which gives it some pretty dimension. And then you can see that the corners I've sewn in some beautiful pleated trim, and again, to add some interest, some pearls, these dimensional flowers that I've layered on top of each other, and then different kinds of ribbons. And on this corner, I've added this beautiful sequin pearl trim that just dangles off the side. And then I've added some stick pins in these beautiful pearls and crystals that just make it very feminine and sweet. And the back is just, I've used a doily, a lace doily, just to finish it up with some braid trim, some flowers, and yeah, I'm really happy with the way this one turned out. I love using these older pieces and turning them into something new again. So as you can see here, I've added a beautiful bow and some with the lace ribbon as well. And that's my little latest heart pillow. I hope you like it, ladies, and I'll be back again to share another project with you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.